behind and the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
And grab your badge from the table over here, and then head over towards the screens. At the screens, you're going to be receiving a new name and identity, and you're going to try to memorize this information as best as you can. Good luck on your machinations.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any station you like. Thank you. In about 4 minutes, we'll go inside the briefing theater.
Appreciate it.
So we all have a separate
Go way out of the way.
Okay.
I forget my last name.
Oh no! Don't worry, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine.
These have different holes in them, so you have to like put them over the words to find out the hidden message.
Okay.
It will probably like line up.
At the outset of World War II, the German occupation forces
Funds delivered to a lady in exile.
prime targets.
Okay, so that's a secret message.
Nice. Oh, slide it so no one sees it. We have different belts with different codes on them. You want to check it out?
And then when you press A, it will go down and go
Huh?
Yeah.
So it introduces the
There.
When you add all this
So
up,
we're going to hook it onto this peg.
our number is now 100.
Is it supposed to say words like we're supposed to understand?
Yeah. Let's see, it's got 3 different sizes.
Yeah.
So now I'll do this top one for me.
Okay, try different rods until you find the one that works.
So now we've done the bottom 2, so let's do this top one.
After the war ended, Winston Churchill said,
I might need your eyes because of the shadow.
Yeah, the shadow kind of.
saving an
Do you have a phone? I can do a flashlight.
I don't have enough hands
Here,
to give you my
I
phone.
have.
I think it says invasion.
Yeah.
Invasion. That's
Invasion. March
23rd.
March 23rd
That's so cool.
at dawn.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
So we couldn't see any of those words, and look at
That's insane.
It's all different letters on the belt.
Among the hundreds of men and women working round the clock is Alan Turing.
Okay, A equals K right there.
Okay.
Okay, now O.
So that's why.
Y. G. O.
Yeah, it's tough for you. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, so it's K.
K is U. Y-O-U.
Look at all these spy tools.
Oh, look right there.
Look, babe, this is some type of code.
Oh,
Look, there's a dot under the S and a dot under the Y. What does that mean? And so it's S-P-Y. That's awesome. Did you find anything in here?
it says meet me at.
Okay, you ready?
I am ready.
Watch closely. Get ready. Yeah, we did. Did you know it was that
Yep.
one?
Did you see a unicorn come down the stairs? Yes.
No, I didn't see a unicorn.
Yeah, I saw it.
No.
I was tracking it.
Uh-huh. You saw it?
Yes.
Never saw it.
Deactivated.
Woohoo! Alright, Noelle, you have to try it.
Go on, start the red button. 14 seconds. Oh no! Boosh!
You gonna try again? No, I want to try before you say a secret.
Mama's turn. Press the red button. Let me press it. No pressure.
Mom did it first try.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was easy.
Deactivated.
That was easy. Is that a joke?
She's an operation specialist.
She just had to not touch the metal.
Yeah, it's like a
So what are you doing there, babe?
I'm trying to find a secret location.
Can you find the V weapons?
Yes, he totally knows what he's looking for.
He looks like he's hard at work.
An ordinary person driving a car. The back seat of the truck.
Alright, agents, if you are watching, just kind of step back towards the gray area. That way we kind of pass through here. If you want to try it, line up along this bar here. Good job.
You got this, kiddo. Keep breathing. Keep adjusting. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you got this. Come on. Get to 30, Noelle. Get to 30. Come on. Get to 30. So close. Awesome. That was awesome.
I did pretty good.
Yeah, you did great.
I was like, oh, that's
Yeah.
I said that.
Just wave it at like turn green, ready to go.
That's gonna show off.
I got faith in him. I think he's gonna do it.
See, it goes like that.
Come on, babe. You got this.
You can do better than me.
You have to at least beat your daughter.
Seriously.
How old was she with that?
25.
He can do it. Yeah, he can.
30 seconds.
Come on, babe. You got
I
this.
could have moved so much. Go.
Nice job. You guys are now debriefing. Yes. Debrief and see how you guys did. Now. Trust. These are all things I already do. Assume nothing.
I'm an undercover spy.
Shh, don't tell anyone. All is not what it seems. All right, so what do we think? Oh, wow.
Hey, I'm gonna get rid of my undercover spy mission, okay?
Okay, Noelle, you can get rid of mine
keep this
too.
in the bus.
Yeah, RB life. We don't need to keep our knickknacks. All right, you guys, consensus of the Spy Museum, worth it?
I think it was worth the money. It was a lot of fun and very interactive.
Yeah, and do not come to DC on Mondays if you want to go to an art museum. All the art exhibits are closed. Oh yeah, Space Museum was also closed, but I don't know if that was just today or due to being closed for another reason.
Oh, and don't come on an empty stomach because I'm starving, and that Spy Museum took a long time.
We were there for what, 3-4 hours?
Definitely do not come when at 6 because then you have to leave by 7.
Oh yeah, that
Oh
would
yeah,
not be
yeah.
fun.
You gotta
You
give yourself
definitely
enough
need, like,
time.
3 hours for this place, for sure.
Hey, another AAF tank museum.
Check that video out.
Go check our tank museum. We went and visited real live tanks, not blow up tanks in the museum. Going on up. Alright, look at Noelle. We're at the Natural History Museum.
This is the one place I've been wanting to come. Yeah, in DC, this is where I wanted to go.
Come check this museum out. It's free.
Free! And you can e-bike and lock your bike right up to the entrance, so it's nice and easy.
Yeah, pretty convenient for us e-bikers.
Outbreak epidemics in the world.
Kind of ironic.
Let's start here.
Follow you. Let's start here because
I'm so excited. But here's the thing, you're like a conspiracy theorist or something. I mean, how would you really know this is from the moon? Other than it being in a fancy display.
right. I mean, it's got pictures.
But I mean, we see rocks like that on hikes.
It might have been a moon rock on that hike. It could be over 4.5 billion years old. If you believe that sort of thing.
Ooh, I see a yellow dye starting to see diamonds.
Diamond and platinum bracelet.
Platinum. Yellow diamond ring. Yep.
So that little device measures earthquakes. It's a seismograph, I think, is what it's called.
Oh my gosh, look at these little fluffernutters. Look at them. They look so fluffy.
That's the official name, fluffernutter.
Oh, wow, no. Now this would be a coffee table, like, under, you know, on the glass coffee table underneath. Look at this one. Oh, I'm liking them more and more.
They're all calcium.
Bubble, treble, toil, bubble or something. Are there any? What are the healing powers of quartz again?
No, it is mostly healing.
Just healing, so we should all hold on to it. So hold it. Let's have a healing moment.
You should put this up your nose and just stop your nose from running.
All right, put your hands on. We're
I'm
gonna
gonna
heal.
do someplace where nobody ever touches because you can see all the gross germs all over it.
I already feel the healing energy.
Mom, did you read this?
No.
2,000 years ago, Greek scientists looked at quartz and wondered, what is it? They concluded that its clear, hard substance was water frozen so hard it couldn't melt.
Oh, look at those blues and those grays.
Azurite. Lazurite and azurite.
I know.
Wow, this red. Oh my gosh, they're so clean. I just can't.
I really like
I'd say the emerald and aquamarine are sold the most, but emerald's more expensive than aquamarine.
Why is a ruby red, an emerald green, and a sapphire blue?
Wow, I must know.
It starts with light, which is made up of all the colors of the spectrum mixed together.
Wow.
This is like your
Yep. So there's the fire opals, which are more vibrant, and more the softer. There's two very different. They're both gorgeous in their own way, for sure.
look at this stuff.
Oh, is this diamond? Are we on the diamond? Oh, okay.